So spies have been trending all day yesterday and today. She has been the topic of conversation because Spice deleted all her pictures off her Instagram, and this is the only picture of her that's there now. So as you guys can see, Spice look like she is light. She is a very light. She look like she'd use Nikki Chroma's Chrome White or Kiara Glow, and she get light overnight. And quite honestly, I don't understand why people bleach their skin or what benefits it gives them, but it's 2018 and Spice is not the only African American woman that have bleached their skin to become more mainstream. Azealia Banks have do it, Sierra have do it, Little Kim have do it, and not to mention our one and only Vybz Kartel, who Spice are very close friends with. Even Vybz Kartel's son started bleaching his skin. So Spice bleaching her skin or trying to make a statement about black hypocrisy is only right for someone like her, because every time somebody have something negative to say about Spice or her entertainment or what she does for a living, they always talk about her skin color and try to downplay her and call her ghetto and ugly. But if somebody of a lighter complexion does the same thing, it's considered okay. So I understand totally where Spice is coming from with this right here. And as you guys know, controversy sells. And Spice is on Love and Hip Hop Atlanta, and I feel like this is a good business move for her because this will be a great storyline and a great build up for her next season on Love and Hip Hop. And as you guys know, this will start a conversation that needs to be had, especially in the Caribbean islands where skin bleaching, and also African countries like Nigeria and Ghana where skin bleaching is so prevalent, and black women feel like if they bleach their skin somehow it's going to be better for them and their life is going to be a little bit easier, just because black people have been programmed to the standard, the societal standard of beauty, which is lighter is bright, lighter is brighter, and black is you go back, and all the nonsense that they have instilled in our people from slavery days. So another thing I want to address in this video also is that it's 2018. People can do whatever they feel like doing with their skin. It's their skin and we have no say about it. But one thing that I've seen very prevalently in dancehall fraternity now in 2018 is a lot of body enhancement. People are getting their boobs done, people are getting their ass done, they're getting BBL, getting sculpture put in their ass, liposuction, getting their nose pinched, all of that. So those are body enhancements, and a lot of people will consider skin bleaching a body enhancement also. So if you're going to down Spice for bleaching her skin and down her for what she's doing, also down other people that choose to put silicone in their butt or put fat cells in their ass and put silicone in their boobs or suck out the fat out their stomach. You need to down them also. Honestly, I feel like Spice is trying to make a statement and Spice know exactly what she is doing. I don't think that Spice bleach her skin because Spice full up of too much self-confidence. That woman, your confidence high. Okay, I don't think she would go as far as to bleach her skin, but you would never know with people in the music industry or entertainment industry, because when you seem to lighten your skin in the entertainment industry, your career seems to propel, and Spice is trying to get into that market, trying to propel her career into an international level. So she's about to tell you why she did what she did, and I am going to get up out of here. Comment in the comment section what you think, and I'll see you in my next video. Deuces.
Right, so basically, me delete all of the pictures them and videos because of this new project that I'm working on. I really wanted people to gravitate solely to this project that I'm working on called Captured, and that's really why I deleted all of the other, you know, performances, and I never want a distraction. So that's really why I deleted it. We should have a question. It's not moving, Rebel. Work with it. Work with it. Work with it. My team is here with me now. Big up Dancing Rebel. Big up TC, pretty, welcome to the gang. So you know say Dancing Rebel and Nutmeg. I know say TC a cinnamon. I know pretty come in, so she name Vanilla. A porridge me a make.
Somebody say, can you please remove the shades?
Can you remove the shades? Sure, I can do that. I have read as usual, but I mean, may I take it off soon and I have to stay tuned. What's the question? I know. Right, so basically, me delete all of the pictures them and videos because of this new project that I'm working on. I really wanted people to gravitate solely to this project that I'm working on called Captured, and that's really why I deleted all of the other, you know, performances, and I never want a distraction. So that's really why I deleted it. We should have a question. It's not moving, Rebel. Work with it. Work with it. Work with it. My team is here with me now. Big up Dancing Rebel. Big up TC. Pretty, welcome to the gang. So you know say Dancing Rebel and Nutmeg. I know say TC a cinnamon. I know pretty come in, so she name Vanilla. A porridge me a make.
Somebody say, can you please remove the shades?
Can you remove the shades? Sure, I can do that. I have read as usual, but I mean, may I take it off soon and I have to stay tuned. What's the question? I know.
All them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.